We will compare the extent of fire spread by installing SFEX AP tape on cables in a vertical section. SFEX AP Tape 200 is wrapped twice around the cable at 10 cm intervals in the vertical section. Continuous heat is applied to the bottom of the cable to initiate a fire. While a fire starts at the bottom of the cable, it does not spread upward and is effectively suppressed. After 20 minutes, the condition of the burned cable is examined. The copper wire wrapped with SFEX AP Tape 200 remains intact and protected from the fire. To prevent the spread of cable fires, it is crucial to protect the cable conductors. To prevent cable fires in vertical sections, fire suppression materials must be wrapped around or placed over the cables.